In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote Amazon furniture on Pinterest. We'll walk through exactly how to set up your account, design scroll stopping pins, add links the right way, and track what's working so you can grow consistent clicks and sales. Start by making sure you're promoting correctly. If you're an Amazon affiliate, always use your Amazon Associates affiliate link. If you sell your own products on Amazon, link to your store or product pages. Be transparent with an affiliate disclosure in your pin or description, such as "I may earn a commission." Avoid spamming raw links. Pinterest rewards helpful, high-quality content that inspires and solves problems. Next, create a Pinterest business account on desktop. Head to pinterest.com, sign up or convert your existing profile, choose business account, add your profile details, and upload a professional photo. A business account unlocks analytics, advertising tools, and rich pins, which makes your content more informative and discoverable. Optimize your profile for furniture shoppers. Use a clear, keyword-rich name like modern home furniture finds. Amazon deals. Your bio can say something like sharing stylish and affordable Amazon furniture for small spaces, home offices, and modern living rooms. Naturally weave in keywords such as modern furniture, small space decor, affordable home ideas, and Amazon home finds. These help Pinterest understand who to show your content to. Create niche-specific boards that match search intent. Examples include modern living room ideas, home office setup, small bedroom furniture, minimalist apartment decor, and budget-friendly Amazon home finds. Keep each board tightly focused and write board descriptions that echo your target keywords. Design high-quality vertical pins. Aim for 1000 by 1500 pixels, use clear, aesthetic images, and add bold, readable text overlays. Strong titles include Small Space Amazon Desk under $150, Modern Coffee Table Finds, or Amazon Bedroom Makeover. Tools like Canva, Photoshop, or your favorite designer make this fast. Keep a consistent look so people recognize your brand. Write SEO-friendly descriptions, include keywords naturally, and describe the benefit. For example, modern wooden computer desk from Amazon, perfect for small home offices, easy assembly, compact size, and budget-friendly. Great for apartments and minimalist decor lovers. Amazon finds #home office setup. Pinterest works like a search engine, so keywords truly matter. Add your Amazon link properly, click Create Pin, upload your image, add a clear title and description with your disclosure, paste your Amazon affiliate link in the destination link field, pick the right board, and publish. Post consistently. A strong plan is 3 to 5 fresh pins per day, mixing direct product pins with inspiration pins, and repurposing designs weekly. Use both static pins and idea pins. Static pins can link directly to Amazon. Idea pins don't link, but they build authority and keep your account active. Finally, track performance in Pinterest Analytics under Overview. Watch outbound clicks, saves, impressions, and top boards. Double down on the formats and topics that earn the most clicks.